G'day everyone. It's bloody it's new bike day. Had work Christmas party last night, feeling a bit dusty. It's freaking raining. Anyway, we get the trailer out, get the Land Cruiser out, attach them. Oh yeah. Ooh, listen to her purr. How good. It was a bit of a mission. It's not that hard, but I had too many beers last night. Righto, so as I was saying before, new bike day. Those of you who know me probably know what I'm buying. A little bit of an impulse buy, but also not really. Like, I just am starting a new job. I turned 30 and I was like, fuck man, like I'm probably gonna get married and have kids and stuff soon. I was like, damn, where like, so I just decided to buy a new bike. Anyway, it's a 2-hour drive to go pick it up, which is all right. They were going to deliver it, but it just, the timings didn't work out. Plan is to go pick it up, put it on the trailer, and then my mate lives, I don't know, half an hour from where I pick it up, so I've got to go past his house anyway. So I was like, well, why don't we go for a ride? That's what we're gonna do. 1 hour down, 1 to go. It's still a bit wet, but yeah, kind of like a bit of patches. I think it's not gonna rain on the way home, so. Well, here we are. I made it. Had a few issues. She bloody kept turning off. The dog. Anyway, I'll have to sort that out on the way home. Ooh, here we go. Oh, what have we got here? Naughty. Fuck yeah, I'm so excited. Oh man, so clean. Look at it. SE250 factory. So she's 2023. Sherco. Brand spanker. How good's that? Far out. Right. Yeah, righto. Baby! Woohoo!
I dropped mine out of solidarity.
How funny. I just realised the last video I forgot to film an outro. And so I'm just on my second ride now. And I've been riding for like, I don't know, 40 minutes. Just getting a feel for the bike. I think it's actually starting to rain. And I thought, well, I might as well just film this one too, and I'll just put them two together because the first ride wasn't that good. So anyway, I'll put it on my helmet and we'll get going. I think first time you get a bike, probably should, well, I sort of got to run it in and just sort of take it for, put a couple of hours on it, I suppose, and tighten everything back up. But yeah, actually just got to get a feel for it. She's a bit different to your old 4-stroke. I found a really good single trail before, but now I have no idea where I am. It's a long way down. Oh, right, on another way. Get out of the way. Oh, fuck. Right, I found my way back. I need to go up here. And turn right. Oh, fuck yeah. I always get stuck. I don't even think I'm on motorbike tracks. I think I'm on fucking animal tracks. Oh, but I can get through there. I should have just committed to that one. A bit of a hill climb. That was steeper than I thought. Man, good view. Yeah, so this is it, a new bike. Something different. Like, always wanted a 2-stroke Enduro bike, man. This is something I wanted to get better at for a while. But yeah, like, and here we are. Yeah, because like I said, like the adventure rides are great, and I'm going to keep doing them, but I need something to do in between, you know, and like I don't want to keep swapping the tank over on the CRF and changing springs and stuff. So yeah, here we are. We've got a Sherco to do the weekend fun. But yeah, the plan is practice, get better, just enjoy. Yeah, I'm having to do it now. Oh, I'm out of fuel. Reserve. So yeah, that's it. New bike, second ride. I've got just over, well, nearly 2.5 hours on it, and yeah, man, I'm freaking keen to just get out and enjoy the forest. And man, they look good, don't they? They freaking look so good. Love it. Anyway, Cape videos coming soon. I'll finish editing those. I just sort of thought I'd get this out. I've been pretty busy, so thanks for your patience, but hopefully you'll enjoy it when they come out. Anyway, catch you later.